Good afternoon and welcome to Tuesday's trading update with me, Andrew Nellis. UK stocks are gaining today following the release of official figures from the Office of National Statistics showing that the UK economy grew at 1.9% during 2013, which is its best growth rate since 2007. The data was slightly disappointing as the rate of growth in the fourth quarter slipped to 0.7% from 0.8% in the previous quarter. The overall GDP growth is being led by the recovery in the service and manufacturing sectors, which have also seen the biggest improvement in employment figures during 2013. The service sector, in fact, grew at 0.8% in line with the previous quarter and is the most important indicator as the sector equates to over 3/4 of the UK's economic output. Sterling has risen slightly on the news against our major trading partners as investors weigh up the possibility of an earlier than expected rise in UK interest rates. Despite the positive economic news, equity prices are being kept in check by the disappointing overnight earnings statement from Apple, which resulted in a drop in after-hours trading of over 8%. Apple reported that profits came in at $13.1 billion, which was better than analysts had expected, on record sales of 51 million iPhones and 26 million iPads. Apple CEO Tim Cook reported that revenues for the quarter to January 2014 are expected to be between $42 and $44 billion, which is slightly below estimates. However, the more worrying factor for investors was the statement that the technology giant has lowered its sales forecast for the rest of 2014. The earnings statement has had a knock-on effect to UK heavyweights ARM Holdings, which has fallen 2%, and Imagination Technologies, down 4%, which supply microchip components to Apple, as investors express their concerns about the impact of a decline in Apple products will affect on future earnings. Financial stocks are leading the FTSE 100 index higher, as investors speculate the impact of an improving economy will have on the future growth of the sector, with Lloyds Banking Group up 3% and Aberdeen Asset Management up 2.8%, leading the gainers. And finally, F&C Asset Management is once again the top performer in the index, gaining over 5% after yesterday's announcement. Canadian firm BMO Financial Group, the owners of Bank of Montreal, have made a £1.20 cash and stock offer for the UK asset manager. If you'd like to read the trading update, please have a look at the website and read it at your leisure. And thanks very much for watching.